Sobrang hirap na ng trek ngayon. Kasi yung weather, hindi maganda. Yan, so nag-i-snow na sa labas ngayon. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Thursday, March 21 na. And 7 o'clock na ng umaga. And we are here in Dingboche. This is 4,410 meters above sea level. So sobrang taas na natin and sobrang hirap na huminga at this point. So for me, isa yun sa mga super challenge talaga. And supposedly lalabas tayo for acclimatization. However, look. Ang lakas ng snow sa labas. So, I don't think we can go out. I don't think I can go out. Kasi baka sipunin ako, magkasakit ako lalo. Pero, I don't know sa kasama ko kung ipupush niya na mag-hike kami today. Because we're about to hike 5,000. From 4,400 to 5,000 meters. Para ma-acclimatize ako sa ganung klaseng altitude. And right now, medyo masakit din yung ankle ko. Hindi ko alam. Pagising ko, sumasakit siya. So, hopefully mawala siya. So far, it's very cold. It's negative 12 degrees. Ngayon, sobrang lamig talaga. So, update ko kayo mamaya kung lalabas tayo kahit may snow. Or rest na lang muna talaga tayo. Since masakit nga din yung ankle ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pagising ko, bigla na lang siyang masakit.
मायालाई कतै कतै गएर भेट्टाइहाल्यो
Hello. Ayan, so lumabas tayo for acclimatization kahit na nag-i-snow ngayon. Sobrang lamig and walang araw. It's just straight. I'll tell you if there's a rock. Oh yeah. So first time nagka-snow dito sa Dingboche ngayon. Sobrang hirap na ng trek ngayon. Kasi yung weather, hindi maganda. Sobrang hirap na niya mag-hike. Oh, the sun is coming up. Yeah. turns red.
टेस्ला का फ्रोजन इशू फ्रोजन चार्ज प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है कोल्ड में चार्ज नहीं होता है टेस्ला नहीं होता है
We're now here at the peak of Nagarjim Peak here in Dimboche. So how many meters?
4,800 meters.
So we're now at 4,800 meters. So ganda na tayo kataas. Sobrang taas na natin. Yeah, we get snow.
Yeah.
So we're trying. This is so cool.
Yeah.
So this is my first time.
Yeah.
Experiencing
Catch it.
snow.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I think it's nice.
Catch.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You too. So yung Picadina, hindi pa yun yung peak. Ito talaga yung pinaka-peak. I think this one. Ayan. So this is 4,800 meters above sea level. This one. Kabalik lang namin. So, nag-acclimatization tayo sa taas. Actually, acclimatization dito, hindi siya yung maglalakad ka lang. Tapos, just feel the air and everything. No, hindi ganon. You have to go hiking. And we hike for about 4,800. Yeah, 4,800 meters above sea level. From 4,400. So, 400 meters yung inakyat natin. Actually, mataas din siya. And mas sobrang challenging niya kasi nag-i-snow ngayon. As you can see, sobrang lakas ng snow and madulas yung daan. Yeah. And we made it. Kababalik lang natin. And ito yung naman lobby ko. Tuyot na tuyot na. Tuyot na yung lobby natin. Dito na lang may Vaseline tayong dala. Like, this is so good. Tutulungan niya para hindi mag-dry yung lips ko. Although, hindi mo mapipigilan dito, hindi mag-dry yung lips mo. Because of the extreme weather. Like, we went out -9, tapos nag-i-snow. So, tatlong layer yung suot-suot ko kanina. And sinipon na rin ako. Medyo nahirapan lang ako pababa kasi nga, agdulas. Tapos wala naman akong crampons na dala. At wala rin tayong dalang stick kanina, di ba? Ang galing ko. Oh, have you eaten? Have you eaten? Oh, finish? I'm so hungry. I love, like 2 days, I only eat Korean ramen here because it feels warm inside, right?
कहिले आइपुग्नुहुन्छ यता तपाईँ